Want to turn off auto-renewal for your Elementor Pro subscription? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few quick steps so you're not charged again when your billing period ends. But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone working on a WordPress website. You can create beautiful websites without writing a single line of code, thanks to Elementor. Tap the link in the description to get started today. Now, start by opening your browser and going to elementor.com. Once you're there, log in using your account credentials. On your dashboard, head to the top right corner and click the profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Subscriptions. Now you'll land on the Subscriptions page, where your current Elementor Pro plan is listed. Look for the option that says Manage this subscription and click on it. Once the section expands, scroll down to the Billing Information area. If it shows Auto under the Renewal column, it means Auto Renewal is currently active. To turn it off, click the small edit icon next to Billing Information. You'll now see the Auto Renewal toggle. Simply switch it off. Once done, the renewal status will change to Manual, which means your subscription won't renew automatically after the current billing cycle. And that's it. Your Elementor Pro plan will expire when your current period ends. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.